Okay, so for the natural treatment for eyes, so firstly, it should be eye massage for relaxation. So massaging the areas around your eyes can also be very beneficial. So like just gently massage your eyelids, the area above your eyebrows and the temples can improve blood circulation and relieve tension. So this helps in relaxing the orbicularis oculi muscles, which surrounds the eyes and controls eyelid movement. So you use your fingertips to make circular motions around these areas, and this massage not only soothes tired eyes, but it also stimulates the tear glands, which can help alleviate dryness and also prevent eye strain. And then, as we talked about before, nutritional support for better vision. So, we're talking about vitamin A to prevent night blindness, leafy greens like spinach in order to support the structure of the retina and also prevent the dry eye syndrome. And then, talking about sun exposure and light management. So, um, while sunlight provides essential vitamin D, excessive exposure to UV rays can harm your eyes. So always wear sunglasses that block 100% of the ultraviolet and also the UVB rays when you're outside. So when you're indoors, make sure your workspaces are well lit but not too harsh. The proper lighting can reduce the strain on your eyes, particularly when reading or working on a computer. So moving on, we have the cold compress for tired eyes. So applying a cold compress can help reduce puffiness, refreshes tired eyes, and also soothes discomfort caused by overuse of digital screens. So it's a simple and effective natural treatment, and the cool temperature basically helps to constrict blood vessels, and therefore it reduces the puffiness and inflammation around the eyes. So it also soothes eye strain and alleviates discomfort caused by prolonged screen use, allergies, or lack of sleep. And to make this cold compress, you need to soak a clean cloth in cold water. You need to wring it out and also place it gently over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. And alternatively, chilled cucumber slices. Okay, so this is actually our next step. So let's leave it for that. So, this remedy not only refreshes your eyes, but it also promotes circulation, which leaves them feeling rejuvenated. And it's an easy, chemical free solution to maintain eye health and comfort naturally. Okay, so now the cucumber slices for hydration we were talking about in our previous slide. So, this is a very popular remedy. I'm sure you've seen this, and it's also natural for soothing tired eyes and also promoting hydration. So, cucumbers, as you know, are all they're rich in water content. So, this helps rehydrate the delicate skin around the eyes, and as a result, it has the same effect as the cold compress for tired eyes. So it reduces dryness and puffiness, and they also contain antioxidants as well as vitamin C, which combat inflammation and also rejuvenate the skin. So to use it, you need to chill the cucumber slices in the refrigerator, and then you place them over closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. So this cool temperature, it constricts the blood vessels and it reduces dark circles and puffiness, while while the natural hydration refreshes and revitalizes the skin. And then we also have the aloe vera for soothing eyes, the aloe vera gel. So it's a gentle and natural remedy for soothing tired or irritated eyes. So it's packed with tons of antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory properties. So aloe vera helps reduce the redness, puffiness, and dryness around the eye. So it also promotes skin repair and hydration, and it makes it ideal for the delicate area surrounding the eyes. So to use it, you need to ensure that the gel is pure and it's free from additives, and apply a small amount very close to the eyelids and the skin around the eye. So leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with cool water. And for extra relief, you use the chilled gel for a cooling effect. So, this natural remedy not only soothes and refreshes the eye, but it also nourishes the skin and makes a perfect addition to your eye care routine, as well as, um, removing eye bags for anti aging and reducing fine lines. as well as reducing dark circles. So again, it can reduce inflammation and refresh tired and strained eyes when applied as compress. So used tea bags, so especially those with green tea or chamomile. Okay, so those were the natural treatments. So now we want to look at some medical treatments in order to improve your vision. So first up, we have prescription glasses or contact lenses. So these are the most common ways in order to correct the refractive errors. So especially talking about nearsightedness. So nearsightedness or farsightedness. So like talking about myopia, and they help focus light on the on the retina properly for clear vision. So again, myopia is nearsightedness, hyperopia is farsightedness, and also astigmatism. So now we're moving on to a very common surgery that I'm sure we've all heard of. So this is the LASIK or the laser eye surgery. So basically, um, this is basically a precise layer is used to reshape the cornea, which is the clear front part of the eye, so that light entering the eye is properly focused onto the retina. So this reshaping is very critical because in conditions like myopia, so nearsightedness, the cornea is too steep. Remember, we talked about the eyeball being elongated, so it causes light to focus in front of the retina rather than directly on it. So when you flatten the cornea, the LASIK corrects this and allows light to focus directly on the retina, which results in clearer vision. And then we also have PRK, so photorefractive keratectomy, and LASIK as well, so laser assisted subepithelial keratectomy. Okay, so we have talked about the um, LASIK, okay, which is the one to treat myopia. And then now we're talking about the PRK and the LASIK. So I don't want to say their full names again, but both of these surgeries are very similar to the LASIK. And the only difference is that they're used in cases where LASIK might not be suitable, such as for patients with thinner corneas. So the PRK removes the outer layer of the cornea and it reshapes the underlying tissues, while the LASIK preserves this layer and uses alcohol to loosen it before the reshaping begins. So the recovery time for PRK and LASIK can be a bit like slightly longer than LASIK, but they're excellent alternatives for achieving the similar results. And then we also have refresh liquid gel. So this is an excellent, gel, and it helps improve vision by providing long-lasting moisture and lubrication to the eyes. So it alleviates dryness and discomfort, and this enhances hydration and supports clearer vision. So this is really like it's one of the best treatment in my opinion. I've also tried it before, so I really urge you to go for this. For dry eyes, for rehydrating, it has an excellent soothing effect and long-term relief. And I don't have it over here, but I also want to talk about cataract surgery. So this is also one of the most common and successful surgeries. So so cataracts, first of all, they occur when the natural lens of the eye becomes cloudy, typically due to aging, and this lead to blurred vision and if untreated, blindness. So it happens because proteins in the lens clump together, which obstructs the passage of light. So during the cataract surgery, what happens is that the cloudy lens is removed and it's replaced with an artificial intraocular lens, so IOL. And this lens is basically made of clear plastic or silicone, and it's designed to mimic the focusing power of a natural lens. So the surgery is very quick, and it often takes like less than 30 minutes, and it's done under local anesthesia. And the patients typically experience a significant improvement in vision within a few days, and the risk of side effects and complications are really low. So this is a plus point. And then we also have the glaucoma treatment. So, this is another condition that requires medical treatment, and it's often called the silent thief of sight because it can cause irreversible damage to the optic nerve before you even notice any symptoms. So, this can be really risky, especially like the fact that there are no symptoms, and it results from increased intraocular pressure, which can be due to an excess of aqueous humor. Now, remember, this is the fluid in the front part of the eye, and basically, in cases where eye drops aren't insufficient, the laser surgeries like trabeculoplasty may be recommended, and this procedure uses a lever to open up the trabecular meshwork, which is the eye's drainage system, to help the fluid drain more efficiently, thus lowering the eye pressure. So, while these surgeries are more complex, they can be highly effective in controlling glaucoma and preserving vision.